Is your laundry room just collecting clutter? What if I told you it could become your secret survival stash spot? Let's turn wasted space into a prepper's dream. Start with your vertical space. Install heavy-duty wall shelves or pegboards. These aren't just for detergent. They can hold canned goods, water filters, even emergency radios. Next, think below the machines. Slide-in bins beneath your washer and dryer are perfect for storing long-term essentials like vacuum-sealed food, medical kits, and more. Third, create hidden compartments. False backs in cabinets or discreet drawers can conceal your most valuable supplies from prying eyes or emergencies. Finally, stay organized. Label everything, rotate food stock regularly, and make restocking part of your weekly routine. Your laundry room just became your prepping command center. Small space, big purpose. Subscribe for more survival hacks and take control of every corner of your home.